Back, everybody. Economists have been weighing in over the weekend on the chance of new Mexican tariffs, and the Fed funds markets reacting over the weekend and this morning, too. Senior economics reporter Steve Liesman is here to join us with the latest. What's happening?
Yeah, not pretty. Fed funds markets reacting dramatically to the chance of these new tariffs on Mexico, and economists warning of possible recessions. Take a look at these rate cut probabilities. We now are putting in a 57% chance of a cut in July. That wasn't even on our board for the last several months when we started talking about cuts. And now we're good darn sure it's going to happen sometime by the end of the year, with 87% probability by September, 93% by October. And there's more to it, because not only are we counting on a single cut, there's a 64% probability by October of two cuts.
Is this happening because we're worried about what you see in the Treasury markets right now, where you've got yields coming under severe pressure?
Hold on to that. Okay. Hold on to that thought, Becky. Brilliant as always, but jumping the gun here. The move in these markets is equal to the strong concerns expressed over the weekend in the economic reports. Pantheon says the chance of a self-inflicted unnecessary weakening in the economy this year, and perhaps even a recession, has increased markedly. Barclays writes, we now expect global economic and financial conditions to worsen enough to warrant 75 basis points in rate cuts from the Fed this year, beginning in Q3. J.P. Morgan says, making abysmal growth attainable. That's the title of their report. If the administration follows through on the proposed actions, we believe the adverse growth implications would prompt Fed easing. And now Becky was asking about what's happening in Treasury markets. So here's their 10-year, 3-month, now at a 26 basis point inversion. And a lot of that happening since Friday. Also, a lot of talk about how currencies are going to react to this. The Mexican peso devaluing against the dollar, possibility out there that the Chinese use their currency as a weapon. I would report the other side of this, but there is none. I do not have an economic report from the president's office about the positive implications of the tariffs. As far as I know, they haven't studied it. Maybe Kevin Hassett will tell you if he's got a report on this, because he did one on socialism, so maybe he's done one on tariffs.